India's first niche online pageant, the Mega Model Online, where you fulfill your dreams to be a top model.
A very warm welcome to Miss Mega Model Online Pageant.
With this promise, the nationwide hunt for the first Miss Mega Model began. The journey of this unique pageant has also been an extraordinary one, owing to the fact that it was done on an online platform. More than 300 applications were received from across the country, and it was a challenging process to be selected.
3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen and all my darling viewers, a very warm welcome. My name is Prachi Lakhani and I am here with Mega Model Pageant to keep you all so very smiling. आज का जो सेशन है ये एक फिटनेस के ऊपर सेशन है. Come on guys, share some love. Hello Vinayak, how are you?
What an introduction, man.
Okay, so while the others join in, I would like to say hello to everyone. We're going to talk about hair and makeup today, and we have someone who's extremely experienced in her field, and she's from the NSAM Makeup Academy, and she's none other than Mrs. Shireen Merchant. First of all, we're so thrilled to have you on board at Miss Mega Model Online. We're so excited, and I'm sure so should be the contestants as well, for the kind of expertise that you bring on board. So this is going to be a lot of fun.
Thank you so much. I'm glad that I can be a part of this event. It's quite niche, and so when the team got in touch with me, for me it's more about trying to help and mentor people.
Out of these, the top 30 talented contestants were selected for the grooming sessions. One of the important elements in the success of this pageant were the groomers. The prominent personalities of the health and beauty industry were invited for the grooming sessions, all of which were conducted via video conference. Former Miss India Goa, Audrey De Silva, guided the contestants with tips and tricks of the pageant industry.
Ladies, good afternoon.
IFBB State Powerlifter Vinayak Patil gave them tips for a healthy lifestyle and a few workout routines.
So yeah, where were we? So we were discussing about your fitness routine in your day-to-day life, better ways, and then we can start with a good body weight functional workout session.
Fashion consultant Bharat Gupta gave the contestants insights about the fashion world.
Mega Model got in touch with me for this particular pageant. I think it's so interesting to have a platform that is online. I know a lot of models who are professional models and have been around for a while and are finding it difficult to find something constructive to do.
It can be called, in its truest sense, it can be called a pageant of the new era, I would say, because we're stepping into a very new lifestyle. I think it's great that these girls are getting the opportunity to meet the finest professionals in the industry and get this kind of training, sitting right at home.
When I heard about this online thing happening, when somebody called me, he's like, Prashant, we are doing this whole modeling thing online. I was like, really? Can you do it? And he explained me the whole process seamlessly, and I was like in the total shock. Samrit, hats off to you, hats off to your whole team who has put this platform in such a right way, giving all the aspiring models such a good platform, and gathering all the known personalities. So people, all the top 30 mega models, I would be announcing the names of top 15, top 15 selected people.
After 3 energetic and enthusiastic grooming sessions, top 15 contestants were selected for the finals. and were also awarded with subtitles. In the finale round, the top 15 contestants first faced an introduction round.
My name is Ankita Parab. I am Miss Quincy Per.
My name is Tanishka Singh.
I am Dr. Jessica Bahadur.
This is Shreya Chowdhury.
Hello everybody, my name is Shikha Janet Alag.
Hi, Ramya Ramesh.
My name is Sia Saini.
Hello everyone, my name is Asta Season.
My name is Snehita Gupta.
I am Pailinka.
Hi everyone, this is Priya Manushali.
I am Pratima Thapa.
On the basis of their performance in the first round, 10 contestants proceeded to the second round, where they showcased their unique talents. Finally, 5 contestants reached the third round, which was the question and answer round. The top 5 contestants were asked questions by the jury and they answered them diligently.
So Shikha, I'm going to ask you a question which is related to the workshop that you had with me.
Thank you for the question, Bharat.
Your question is very simple. It is related to the workshop we had done. It's a very simple question.
Thank you for your question, ma'am.
So my question for you is,
Thank you, Max, for your question.
Question that I need to ask you. It's a pretty simple question.
Well, thank you for the question, sir.
So Rama, it's a very simple question.
So thank you for the question, Audrey.
My name is Renu Hemwani.
Okay, tell me one good thing has happened to you during this journey of Mega Model. एक बहुत ही बढ़िया चीज जो तुम्हारे साथ हुई है.
3 good things that have happened to me today are one, the finale of this pageant.
फर्क नहीं है because I really like how everything is going digital because तुम घर बैठे आराम से लोगों को सिखाते हो. तुमको ऐसे जरूरत नहीं कि you have to actually go there and be practically there. So I really like this whole process of this is a new thing that I've come up with.
this is a really very good opportunity for all the contestants and for people like us as well, and one of the bestest platform.
I think it's all about any innovative concept, and I think this was the right time to have such kind of digital online format. The team has really put a lot of effort because I've been hearing from the people, from the coordinators, the director, Samrat, he's been talking about that he's been working day and night. I used to send him messages at 3 o'clock in the morning, he used to immediately reply,
Contestants were very excited. The whole credit goes to the team and the contestants. I was just an idea.
I saw them give their answers live. I was with the jury with them on the Zoom meeting thing, and I was just like this. They're like as calm as one can be. They're so calm, and they gave their answers, and the jury was pretty happy with it as well. And I'm so glad that everything is, like by far it's gone really.
Doing an event after so many days, like after ages, we are back on the field, not offline but online, and running a show again. So that was the best part of this event.
First, me and Samvid were not very confident about this whole mega model thing. And once we started working towards it and the people in the team responded to it, then we really thought, okay, this can be done. And that was a day then we thought, okay, kabhi-kabhi impossible cheezein bhi possible ho jati hain. Look at it, how grand it has taken the shape. Everybody is so happy about it.
My whole experience thing last just in 1 minute. Yesterday when I first spoke to all the models, trust me, all these models are from all over India. Can you believe? We have models from Kashmir, we have models from Siliguri, East, West, North, South. It's an amazing thing, like the whole team is doing such a great job bringing all the models and giving them the platform. यार सच में फैशन इंडस्ट्री कैसे वर्क करती है. They had a grooming session, they had a nutrition session, and they had so many different sessions by all the jury members. Super excited to announce the winners of Miss Mega Model online pageant. Are you excited? Second runner-up of Miss Mega Model online pageant is Asta Asija.
Okay, so I really want to thank the entire team of Mega Model, and I want to thank all the judges for their amazing grooming session and for taking this decision of making me win and come second runner-up. So yeah, I am super excited, super happy, and yeah, I'm going to test this.
The first runner-up of Miss Mega Model online pageant. Her name is
Say it!
Shika Janet.
Because you won the best personality.
Yes.
And you are the first runner-up of Miss Mega Model contest.
Yes, I am.
How is the feeling? कैसा लग रहा है?
I feel so excited. I can't really define it in words. I don't know. My mouth is dry for the first time. It's really, really exciting, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful.
Well, you are the one who's been selected from all over India, and you have made it to the top. Congratulations once again. The winner of Miss Mega Model online pageant is Ramya Ramesh.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Congratulations, mom!
I would cry any moment. I had tissue ready. I had everything ready. I can't tell you, if you were here, Renu, you could see my goosebumps. You could hear my heartbeat. Thank you, Audrey. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to the entire team of Mega Model online pageant. I am extremely thankful that I took this decision firstly. Second, I never gave up. I always had hope that I can do it. Yesterday also I was telling someone, लगता है I have it in me. मैं बन जाऊंगी. At least top 5 तक तो मैं पहुंच ही जाऊंगी. So I was very happy when that happened today.
And once again, thank you so much all the audience for coming in virtually, for coming in actually on Insta Live and watching us how we run the show basically.
The Mega Model family thanks all of you for being a part and making this niche event a grand success.